Okay, boom, back again with these quick updates because trust, if it's not foreign from Kingmixup, it's not credible. And you already know the deal, my peeps. Me tell yourself a telling no what go on for not to go on. You see me? So let's just kick it off with dancehall artist Flippa Mafia. This is I say, as you know, May 14, 2026, the court granted the government request that Mr. Davis be detained in prison pending further proceedings in this criminal matter. The order specifically mentioned that the defendant consents to detention at this time without prejudice to his rights to seek bail at a later date. You see, Master, and that's what he's choosing to do today. You know what I mean? Obviously with conditions, you see, Master. So they're saying that if he is released, you know, his lawyer speaking now, Davis will reside in Philadelphia, home with his son. You know what I mean? We're not going to call out the son name, but the son is attending Penn Medicine as a nurse. You see, Master, his son also agreed to serve as a third-party custodian to sign, you know, appearance bonds and all of this good stuff. Yes, Davis is agreeable to such reporting and the travel conditions as the court deems, you know, it appropriate. Full information on his son and his residence and arrangements has been supplied to pre-trial services. His lawyer went on to say he has strong family ties and he is, you know, a father of 5, you know, kids in the United States. He's 47 years old and, you know, has resided in Philadelphia for the past 25 years and he has no ability to flee. You see what I say? So there is no evidence that Davis has committed or threatened or been involved in any violence act. The criminal complaint appears to suggest that his alleged involvement with the alleged drug trafficking was remote. And there is no evidence of drugs addiction and drug alcohol abuse. So based off of these facts, you know what I mean, him lawyers them I beg the judge for let him go, you see me? His lawyer suggested that the following condition of the release under, you know, all of these laws and thing. So basically place him in strict 24-hour home detention with electric monitor, you know, in his son's home. This is my say, cause, you know, say them can't trust criminal for say, you know what I mean? Also impose restrictions on personal associations, you know, place, you know, aboard or travel, you know, restrict or take away and passport and them thing them. This is my say, and that is reasonable, you know what I mean? Because he's no harm to the community and, you know, no violence at him, not threatening no witness, no nothing. So I think, you know, given that he's cooperating with the feds already, taking a plea deal, I think they're going to let him out. You see my say? Yeah. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. What a thingy. What a thingy. But it's a good look that his son is going to look out for him and all of this stuff. But we're just giving a quick update while I go on for that to go on. So don't forget to check out these next suggested videos in the sip on the screen. In the meantime, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, I suggest you do so and turn on the notification bell to be notified when I drop the latest in dancehall. You see me? Bless.